Lost all your Buick Enclave keys? Programming a new transponder key yourself for 2008-2017 models is possible, but comes with risks. This Enclave uses a passkey 3 system. Without an original key, you'll need to bypass the immobilizer using specific tools. The passkey 3 system features a transponder chip in the key that communicates with the vehicle's immobilizer to prevent unauthorized starts. Recent advancements include more accessible OBD2 scanners and software, but success isn't guaranteed. Consider potential vehicle lockouts and weigh them against dealership costs of $100 to $300. DIY success rates are about 50 to 70%. Ensure you use legally obtained virgin transponder keys. To program transponder keys for your 2008-2017 Buick Enclave, when all keys are lost, you'll need specific tools and follow precise steps. First, you'll need an OBD2 scanner with GM-specific software, like the Autel MaxiLink. Then a blank transponder key compatible with your Enclave and a multimeter to confirm the correct frequency, such as 314 MHz. The basic steps start with entering programming mode through the OBD2 port, using your scanner to reset the engine control module. Next, cycle the ignition to allow the car to learn the new key, which involves turning the key in the ignition multiple times. For 2013 and newer Enclave models, enhanced encryption means you'll need even more specialized tools beyond the basics. By 2025, newer Enclave models will feature full smartphone ecosystems, allowing you to program keys via NFC or the Ultifi app.